In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add anchor links in Mailchimp. Anchor links can be a real game changer for your email campaigns, making navigation easy and seamless for your subscribers, especially when dealing with lengthy content. Well-placed anchor links allow readers to jump straight to the sections they're most interested in, instead of scrolling through the entire email. Now let's walk through the process of setting these up. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account, head over to the campaign section, and there you'll find a list of all your campaigns. Find the email campaign you're working on and click edit next to its name to open it up. From there, navigate down to where it says content and click on the edit design button. This action will take you to the heart of your email's content, where you can start adding the necessary elements. Next, we need to establish your anchor point. Scroll down to the section of the email where you'd like readers to land when they click the anchor link. Click the text block in this section and select the snippet of text that you want to serve as your anchor. Once highlighted, look for the anchor icon in the editing toolbar, which resembles a small anchor. Go ahead and click on it and you'll be prompted to enter a meaningful name for your anchor. This anchor name will be what connects the link to this precise location in the email. Once you've entered a name, simply click OK to set the anchor. With the anchor point ready, it's time to create the link that will guide your readers there. Highlight the text that you want to transform into a clickable link. Once highlighted, click the link icon in the toolbar, which resembles a chain link. A pop-up modal will appear, offering a variety of linking options. Under the Link To drop-down, select Anchor. Next, you'll see another drop-down labelled Select an Anchor to Link To, from which you'll choose the anchor created earlier. Once you've selected it, click Insert to complete the linking process. With your link created, let's finalize everything. Click Save and Close to exit the design editor. It's always a good idea to test your anchor link before sending your campaign out into the world. You can do this by previewing your email in Mailchimp. Simply navigate to the preview section and simulate the email experience. Ensure that clicking the anchor link successfully jumps to the desired section of your email. If everything checks out well, you're ready to send an engaging, easy to navigate email to your subscribers. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your email marketing efforts with anchor links in Mailchimp. Happy emailing!